my dear crafters, today we are making these star-shaped treat boxes. This is part of Scrap Diva Designs collection for August. You might have seen my video. I showed you part of the collection with the paper, the chipboard, ephemera. There's a lot of die sets, and I showed you some of it. And we're beginning the series on Scrap Diva Designs die sets with this star-shaped one. Great for parties, for decoration, for party favors, because it's not bound to a season, so you change the paper, you can use it all year long. Or if you have a gift to give that fits in here, and you can fit quite a lot, because this is, let me show you how, this is like 3.5 inches from from here to here, so it's pretty big box, and you can fit a lot in it. Excellent for mass producing, so if you have parties or if you want to give a gift that fits in here, great die set to have. So I have the link below. Never forget to use my coupon code Paula, it's my name, because you get 10% off, okay? I'll have the link to this die set into the full collection below. And now, without further ado, let's look at the die set and let's make this little box here. And here is the die set. It comes with 2 sizes, the little one and the medium that I showed you. And easy. This here is going to work on the paper to give the marks and the scoring lines. The outside will cut the paper. So we're going to do one. I'm going to just remove one here. All you need is a piece of paper, and you just pass it through the machine, and that's what I love about it. That's what makes it great to mass produce. This is what you need. I'm going to pass it through my machine, and I'll show you how to assemble it. And here it is. Very easy. So as I said, we're going to have all these scoring lines here. And it's very easy. So let me show you the scoring lines. You can probably, it's hard to see, it'll be impossible to see on the other side. So we can see here the scoring lines, and it's very easy. I usually start with the middle. So basically what I do is I just hold my finger where the scoring line is, and I go around it like this. See, I think here you'll be able to see it better. Oh, I don't know. No? So anyway, that's how I do it. See, the scoring line is there, so if you pinch it with your finger like this, you see that it shows up. See, very easy. And you just keep on going. And here my tip for you is, this is going to be a star, right? So what you do is, when you start pinching here, just the corner, that's where you begin. See, there is a pinch there, and you just kind of stress it out, because it will give it the shape that it needs to have. See how easy it is? The scoring line is there. All you need to do, again, here on the corner, we're going to pinch it like that. It kind of gives the paper the way to go. See? And that's it, guys. You're just going to keep on doing that. You do the same on the other side. You're going to pinch here and pinch like the sides here, the corners of the star. So I'll do it all the way around. I'll do one more for you. So here, pinching, and you just kind of play with the paper. It will go where it's supposed to, because the scoring line is there. See? So we already have more than half of the star done. So there, I'm gonna pinch here again. So we have one side ready to go. See? Pinch here the tips. So we have one side. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, and I'll be back and show you how to glue it, okay? So here we are. I have the whole thing already ready to go and to be glued. So you just basically decide which one goes on top. So I'm going to get my glue here. And what I do is, you just put glue in. Make sure you put glue right here on the corner, okay? And go around, making sure that the edge has enough glue. So there you go. So here's what we're going to do. We're just going to fold it in. And again, pinch and hold it in place, because it helps you. Very easy. We just basically hold it. especially the corners here. You want to make sure that that's all glued and secure. Here, how easy is that? Use good quality glue, guys. I always have the link to the glue I use. It's fast and it's strong. So again, we're going to pinch this in because this one is going over. And we're going to do the same thing here. Put glue right here, right on the corners. A little bit here, but make sure that the tips always have enough. So we're going to pinch here, hold it in place, and just basically help the paper by holding to make sure that everything is glued. And I'm going to go around and leave just one open, okay? So that's what you're going to repeat all the way through. See how perfect it aligns, and you can already see the star. How easy is this, guys? This is a wonderful die set. I'm going to be using a lot of these for my craft fair. Okay, so I'll do one more. Well, let's do it together then. It's just one, right? So it's just one, but I want to give you a tip. Once you glue this, you're going to leave one open because that's where you squish and you open the box. I guess you can leave two, but I don't like leaving two. I think one is enough to put whatever you need inside. But I have a tip for you. So this is going to be the one that closes, and that's going to be the last one. So what I do is I get, because it's not impossible, but when you close this and you open and you want to put your finger here, it kind of catches a little bit. And what I came up with, the idea was to cut the last one that you leave open. I'm going to just cut a little bit of a dent in it with my, see, with my punch. You can do it with your hand like this. If you have scissors, not a problem. It's the one that goes in that you do that with, because then it'll be easier for you to pull it. Not a problem. This is not a problem with the die. It's just that I find it makes it easier. So again, I'm gonna pinch it here, press it down, pinch the corner, and then hold it. I'm gonna open that. Hold it in place like that, like we did before, and we're done. We're done with the box, and next thing we're going to do is to, of course, decorate it, which is the fun part. So hold it in place, and this is going to be the last one, the one that we're going to leave open. So this goes in, see, and then your finger will catch that hole. It's just a little tip for you guys that helps and makes a difference. So we know that's the top. I already know how I'm going to decorate it. It's part of this collection by Scrap Diva Designs. So I just chose a few. I have a lot of ephemera here. That's the beautiful ephemera pack that comes with it. I just chose two. And we're going to very quickly decorate this. We're going to put this here like that. And then this beautiful bee. Look at this, guys. Oh my gosh. I think it's gonna be perfect. Yeah, I'm gonna move this up a little bit. And now we're going, I just need to see where we need to put glue, because it's going to be outside the box a little bit. There you go. So there you are, guys. This is our beautiful box. How cool is that? Easy as can be. I'm just gonna press it down. We have this other one and the yellow one. So two big ones. Let me just zoom in so you can see better. Put this aside. We have 3 boxes. How easy was that? So if you want the dies, please do use my link. I get a commission, and that helps me continue doing these free videos for you, okay? The link is below. Very easy and inexpensive. It's not a very expensive die. I'm sure you'll use it over and over again. It will be my go-to for mass producing, that's for sure. Thank you so much, and you have a wonderful day.